Welcome to It Started with Sawdust, and today, we want to see if the DeWALT Atomic Impact can be that good for a cooking session. It's the DCF809 Type 11. Out of curiosity, we want to know how many of our 1/4 by 5.5-inch self-tapping screws can be blown in and out before we hit the 110 Fahrenheit mark. 10 bad boys, and then we check the temperature. And yes, we hit fast forward, cause we don't want to spend hours here. Still handling with coolness. And welcome to round number 2. It gets warm and fuzzy. Round number 3. Reaching the 70s at round number 4. Yup, reached the 110 Fahrenheit. This is where common sense kicks in for a cool down. So not that bad as other YouTubers portrait their cooking DeWalts. We gonna check the DeWalt DCF887 for that heat test soon. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.